Welcome back to Red Zone Blitz, everyone. Today we are going to be opening up this playoff pack and this Mosaic pack. As always, we're looking for limited editions, rookie cards, and signatures. Let's dive into it. In this playoff box, there should be one autograph or memorabilia card. Okay, first up we got Chase Claypool, Tre'Davious White, Peyton Manning, Amari Cooper, Robbie Anderson, Robert Wood, Jordan. We got a Thunder and Lightning, Nick Chubb and Odell Beckham Jr. We got a Crowder, Cortland Sutton, Dak Prescott, Jair Alexander, Chris Carson, Jesse, Michael Parsons. We got a rookie wave, Mond. T.Y. Hilton, James White, Simmons, Jalen, Chris Godwin, David Montgomery, Trey Lance. We got a behind the numbers, Stephon Diggs. Ray Lewis, Tony, Juju Smith-Schuster, Cam Akers, Brett Favre, Ezekiel Elliott, and then we got Phillip Rivers. First up, we got Delvin Singletary, Jonathan Taylor, Corey Davis, Evan Ingram, Drew Brees, Allen Robinson, Atwell, TJ Hawkinson, Kareem Hunt, Phillip Rivers, Carson Wentz, Cooper Kupp, Aaron Jones, DK Metcalf, Powell, and a Jameis David. First up, we got Hunter Henry, Derrick Henry, Marlon Humphrey, Russell Gage, Jalen Hurts, Mike Evans, Felton. We got a Rashad Bateman, rookie. First up, we got Ezekiel Elliott, Damian Harris, Derrick Henry, Leonard James Williams, Micah Parsons, DeAndre Hopkins. We got a Deion Sanders, green background. Then we got a Got Gamer. And we got a Will to Win, Emmitt Smith. And then we got Holland, Gainwell. And we got the bonus pack. First up, we got Cortland Sutton. Then we got Peyton Turner. And then we got Thomas Davis. Like and subscribe.